Volkswagen had to pay over $46,000 back then because her 2023 Jetta was leaking coolant from a head gasket defect that Volkswagen already knew about. The dealer tore open her engine to fix it, and the vehicle was never the same again. With our help, she got a full refund. And here's exactly how we did this and how you could also get the same result. Volkswagen built the Jetta for one reason: to be the car you don't have to think about. Affordable, fuel efficient, German engineering at a price regular people can afford. Diana bought her 2023 Jetta brand new in California at over $500 a month. She was getting a reliable daily driver backed by one of the biggest names in automotive. That's what Volkswagen sold her. But what Volkswagen didn't tell her is that they already knew her engine had a problem. The coolant warning light came on and Diana checked the reservoir. Almost empty. She brought it to the dealer and they found coolant leaking from the back of the cylinder head. But here's the part that matters. When they looked it up, Volkswagen had already issued a technical service bulletin for this exact defect on this exact engine. Bulletin 15-2301, head gasket leakage. Volkswagen knew. They replaced the head gasket, drained the coolant, pulled the cylinder head, swapped every bolt and seal, and put it all back together. The repair order said, performed head gasket replacement as per TSP 15-2301. Vehicle is operating normally when compared to similar year and model. Here's what that really means. Read that carefully. As per TSP. That means Volkswagen issued a bulletin to the dealerships about this exact defect before Diana ever walked in. They knew the head gaskets was failing on these exact engines. And operating normally compared to similar year and model is a dangerous phrase because if every Jetta with this engine has the same problem, then normal just means broken like the rest of them. After the repair, Diana's 2023 Jetta never felt the same. It ran heavy, it lagged, it wasn't the car she bought. She brought it back and told them something was wrong since they opened up her engine. The dealer compared it to another Jetta and said it was operating normally and told her to come back and do a road test with the shop foreman if she wanted to prove it. Meanwhile, Diana bought a Jetta because she needed something simple that worked. Instead, she got an engine torn apart and put back together, a car that didn't drive the same, and a dealer telling her it was all in her head. You know your car. You know how it drove before. And when a dealer opens up your engine and hands it back worse than before, operating normally is the last thing that you want to hear. Here's something that can completely change how you see your repair history. Manufacturers issue something called a Technical Service Bulletin, or TSB, when they identify a known defect across a group of vehicles. It's basically the manufacturer admitting to their own dealerships that a problem exists. If your vehicle was repaired under a TSB, that means the defect wasn't random and it wasn't your fault. The manufacturer already knew about it before your car even broke. That's powerful evidence under California's lemon law because it proves the defect is systemic, not a one-off. Diana's 2023 Volkswagen Jetta was repaired under TSB 15-2301 for a known head gasket defect. Volkswagen knew, and now so do you. When Diana reached out to us, we reviewed her repair records, built her lemon law case, and helped her file a claim against Volkswagen. The result? A full refund, including the down payment, monthly payments, taxes, interest, and even her registration fees. The best part is she didn't pay anything out of pocket. All she gave us in return was a 5-star review. Under California Civil Code Section 1794D, the manufacturer, not you, must pay for your attorney fees. If you think your car is a lemon, give us a call or tap the link in our bio to use our free compensation calculator and find out how much money we could get for you in less than 30 seconds.